planet Earth?
Mansa Musa.
Mensa Musa, yes. He was a king from Mali. When Mensa Musa passed through Egypt, he bankrupted the Egyptian economy because every poor person he saw, he gave them gold. Now, how does an economy function? The word economia means the study of lack. You cannot have an economy if someone is not lacking. Because he cancelled the lack in Egypt, he bankrupted the economy because money could not flow. And the system needs that to survive. That's why they hated our Commonwealth in Africa. We were fine. They were not built on lack. Our economies were built on wealth. Abundance. Our African economic model was built on wealth, giving birth to more wealth. The richest man who's ever lived on the planet Earth